We had the foot in a forward position, rasp the clinches so there are no clinches. Remove the gumbo. I can waste a lot of time sometimes picking out this Texas gumbo. Maybe I just do enough here so that I can pull the shoe with the shoe pullers. We mentioned earlier the hoof nippers have a wide bit and a smooth taper, and the purchase, the distance from the pin to the blade, is minimal to give you lots of leverage for trimming hard hooves. When you buy a pull-off, the distance from the pin to the blade needs to be higher. This purchase distance allows you to get leverage in order to pull the shoe. So shoe pull-offs are meant to close and pry down, and it is starting to pull that nail. Students always make a mistake by prying, then jumping too far ahead to pry the second time. If my first prying with the handles closed, so I'm prying this jaw now is positioned on hoof wall, I start forward. If I only move the pull-offs down about 1/8 of an inch, now when I pry, I have a mechanical advantage. That side is completely loose. I was a bit lazy not removing hoof wall, not removing all this gumbo, because it's easier to pull the shoe and remove the mud wedge later. Any sole that is undermined with moisture is defoliating, and I get it out of the way. We've taken just a moment to clean up the bottom of this foot. And remember, from last lesson, we observed the length of the toe. I can trim a 1/2 inch length of toe. When I'm in this position, we'll show you how we're measuring and how we know how much heel to trim. So we'll take just a minute and get some more teaching aids, and we'll be right back here.